I'm going to show you how to make a scampi and garlic salsa. Good. I start again, 2 tomatoes. What a great appetizer you're going to find this is. The scampi blend and the garlic and herb. Some red onions chopped up. Then 2 tablespoons of the roasted garlic, mind you, roasted garlic grapeseed oil. Have I used this recipe before? Somewhat. I added this time the onions to make it a salsa. We'll use this little dip to scoop it up in, this little dish. Now doesn't that look good? And look at this. Some tortilla chips on the side. I use the scoops because then I can get more of the stuff. A margarita, we're good to go. A little tequila on the side.